Your old dashcam is lying to you. Meet the Kenwood DRV A510WDP Beast Mode camcombo. Ever feel like your dashcam is just there? Like, it exists, but it's not helping. One bad traffic stop, and your camera forgets to hit record. Or you've got grainy potato quality footage that wouldn't hold up in a kangaroo court. You're constantly fiddling with wires, dealing with glitchy apps, and missing the action when it really matters. It's not just annoying, it's low-key dangerous. You deserve a cam that's ride or die. Not one that clocks out mid-incident. If your current setup makes you feel frustrated, vulnerable, or just plain stuck, buckle up, because we're about to flip the game. Let's talk real stress. Like running late, coffee spilled, GPS glitching, guy in a lifted truck brake checking you stress. Your dashcam should have your back, not add to your daily meltdown. But here you are, missed evidence, confusing file systems, and footage so dark it might as well be Bigfoot sightings. When the heat is on, insurance claims, he said/she said madness, parking lot hit and runs, you need a tool that performs. Not one that gaslights you with storage full when the real drama hits. If your current cam can handle the chaos, the Kenwood DRV A510WDP is your upgrade from ment masterpiece. This bad boy right here? The Kenwood DRV A510WDP isn't just a dashcam, it's a tactical command center disguised as a compact windshield mount. Front and rear coverage? Check. HDR and WDR for pitch-black roads and sun-blasted highways? You bet. 1440p HD clarity that captures license plates like a courtroom dream? Absolutely. With built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS, it syncs like a charm with your phone using the Kenwood Dashcam Manager app. Watch live feeds, tag speed and direction, and upload evidence before Karen even finishes yelling. It's like having a digital co-pilot who never sleeps and always receipts. Imagine a world where your dashcam just works. No wires dangling like spaghetti. No grainy mystery clips. Just crystal clear video, locked and loaded, loop recorded and GPS tagged for battle. From smart parking mode to G-sensor collision detection, this cam has more street smarts than your ex. It's built for minivans, buses, RVs, trucks, basically anything with wheels and a driver tired of the "oops, I missed it" life. Want real peace of mind? Click the link and dive into specs, customer reviews, and maybe even catch a few jaw-dropping real-life clips. We don't just talk tech, we show receipts. Don't wait until it's too late, your next fender bender might depend on what your dashcam doesn't catch. Thousands of smart drivers have already leveled up with the DRV A510WDP, and with stock moving faster than a street racer on a sugar rush, the time to act is now. Don't settle for hope at records. Demand clarity, confidence, and control. Secure your ride. Protect your story. Own the road with Kenwood. Hit that buy button, and let this dual-lens demon do the watching, so you can keep driving like a legend.